Those do look mouth-watering, don't they? Now these are lovely rose cookies that can be easily prepared at home. These need to be deep fried. Now keep your oil ready for deep frying. Now we'll be using that ladle for preparing rose cookies. So take about 1 whole cup of sugar and make it powder, and take about 2 whole cups of all-purpose flour, some salt, then add water. Now mix your batter so that it comes to the consistency. We'll be showing it to you. Meanwhile, you need to actually heat the ladle in the hot oil, and then you will have to actually dip it in the mixture. So they can be quickly prepared. All you need is a bit of practice, and be careful while you're doing it. So using a knife, you can actually remove it, or you can use a spoon too, whatever is of your convenience. So you'll have to quickly remove it. The reason why we actually heat it in the beginning is to make sure that this can easily get separated. Wow, look at the rose cookie. Now that does look delicious, right? So if you want, you can add rice flour too, but usually we add just all-purpose flour to get that softness. Now these are delicious and you'd love to have them. You can never get enough of them. So this is how a rose cookie is prepared. Now that does look lovely, doesn't it? So let's see this again. So you dip the ladle in the batter. That is the consistency you're looking for in a batter, and you dip it in the hot oil. This is how the rose cookie is formed, and then slowly you can get it separated from the ladle and fry it properly. And that's how it gets removed on prodding it further with a knife or spoon or whatever it is that is comfortable for you. Be careful while you're preparing, since it's the hot oil and it might splash when you're trying to separate it from the ladle. There you go. Here's another cookie. These are deep fried, so they taste delicious, and they can be easily prepared with the regular ingredients at home. All you have to do is mix your batter properly, and then there you go. You can happily deep fry it. Get rid of excess oil and keep it on a plate. So this is how the rose cookies are made. They are delicious. We usually prepare it during festivals, but you can prepare it when you wish to have a sweet. Do give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love them. They are delicious. This is how it, when you try to break them, they can be easily broken. That is because of the butter we added. So I actually added all the ingredients list in a description box. So do check it out and prepare these delicious cookies. Thank you.